Now, some artists like to focus on the human face. My brother, he's an artist, and he loves to paint people. He loves to paint people. I like to paint this. But maybe I'll change. Maybe later in my life I'll paint portraits more. I've only done a few portraits. Only a few. I just love painting nature. I just love it. It's too alluring for me right now. So I just keep painting it. A lot of paint. Just putting a lot of this on here. Just covering the canvas. A lot of paint. All the way down. Like that. Good.